What I heard, what was
You was frustrated?
I was frustrated.
Yes, ma'am. And yeah, that's why, again, with this situation, you got to call the professionals.
Yeah.
And I thank you guys so much for finding me and using me. And now you see, you didn't have to replace the floors. Because actually, this floor, I want to say about a little bit over, almost close to 800 square feet. You'd have been looking at about $10, $12 a square foot. So easy, $8,000 to replace this floor.
That's crazy.
Yep.
That's crazy. No, this one is, it's back to normal.
It's back to normal.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and thank you for the recommendations.
You're welcome.
Of the product which you
Yep,
use.
Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Saturday. Today is February the 1st. To me, January went by really, really fast. So anyway, guys, we're out here in Cummings, Georgia. This is a job that we're going to be doing a wax removal on, just removing the wax from the engineered floors. I came out here last week. This was a paid consultation. Actually, this company, another company referred me to this client. They only installed floors, so they told the client to give me a call because of their the needs of the floors. I actually went out this morning and did a consultation in Norcross. They took my last appointment for next week, Friday, so I'm totally booked out next week. And yeah, guys, so what we're going to be doing here is about 789 square feet wax removal of engineered floors. So let me flip this around and show you what we're going to be doing today. So again, we're in the Cummings, Georgia area. Got my ride along with me, also my assistant Tavares, and what we're going to be doing is a wax removal job. So let me show you guys. And again, engineered floors on a concrete slab, but also I see engineered floors on a wood slab, which is very it's not unusual anymore. But you know, these builders now, they get these engineered floors because they're already pre-finished. So guys, we're going to be doing a wax removal all through here. There's Thomas back with us, day 3. Thomas will be leaving out tomorrow to head back to Clearwater. So guys, you can just see wax all over these floors. And when people put this wax on their floors, and the client actually showed me what she was using, I think it was the Quick Shine. And there's, yep, here it is right here. Oh, no, it was the 𝐬𝐿𝐫𝐿𝐵𝐿𝐵. So this is what she was using, the 𝐬𝐿𝐵𝐿𝐵's polish. You see it's empty, and they have been putting a lot of this stuff on these floors, all right? And this is a no-no, all right? So again, wax removal on all throughout the whole main floor, and then we also have a catwalk upstairs. And when you see stuff like this all throughout the floors, that's basically the wax. Wax does not cure like polyurethane, and you can actually see it's on there pretty thick, so you can kind of see where it's kind of wearing off. So they have been putting a lot of wax on these floors. All right, guys, we're going ahead and get started. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we are done. My client just got back, and she is about to walk in and look at these floors. Come on in. Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Remove your shoes, Shelly.
He did. Oh, he's fine.
Bring him back your solitaire, please.
Looks so much better, does it? All that wax. How long you been putting that wax on the floor for? How many years?
I think last year, that's when I started.
You started last year?
Yeah.
Yep.
Last year. So we can now use the, what happened here?
All right, guys. So you can see after we buffed it, it restored the factory finish in the floor. All right, guys, that is going to do it.
So what